Hi guys, welcome back to Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I'm making these tables in 2 different sizes for your Barbies. It's so easy. Keep watching.
Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you.
So all you need for these tables is cardboard, popsicle sticks, craft sticks, and Jenga or building blocks. Okay, let's get started.
As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run, far away from all the fun. It seems I'm bound to be away from you. I never meant to drive you off.
I love how these tables turned out. They're really solid. If you want to make chairs for your tables, check out this video here on my YouTube channel. And follow me on Instagram for more pictures and tell me what you think there. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.
Ain't no good to look the other